we always thank the persons na kilala natin. But as I look back in my vocation, marami akong hindi kilala na in so many aspects, they helped me. So, sino man po kayo, buhay pa or buhay pa, patay na, kilala ko hindi, thank you very much. God has worked through you for me, for us to become Dominicans and soon to become Dominican priests. Thank you very much. No? May God repay your unseen generosity.
Maraming salamat ang sinabi ni Rajer. Thank you, lalo na sa family ko, sa friends ko, saka sa brethren. No? Thank you for supporting me always, being there for me. Na hindi nyo kami pinabayaan throughout. Tinulungan nyo kami sa formation namin hanggang maging pare kami. Kaya maging deacon, soon magiging pare.
Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your comments. And to our collaborators, the lay collaborators, thank you very much for your prayers, for your support for all of us. Because of your prayers and support, we are here, standing before you, serving the Lord and serving the church.
First letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 13. Love is patient, love is kind. Thank you for truly loving us. Because maybe there are those whom we might not have really encountered personally, but they're praying for us.
Yeah.
Di natin sila kilala. But again, thank you. Thank you for being patient. And even also forgiving us kapag may mga shortcomings din kami.
We thank our Pride Deacons for sharing their experiences and their advice. No? So please pray for them, pray for our brother deacons. They will be ordained as priests on August 24, the feast of Saint Bartholomew at the National Shrine of Our Lady of the Rosary, La Naval de Manila, Santo Domingo Church, at exactly 3 p.m.
Babalatan.
Babalatan daw sila.
Babalatan ng buhay.
Babalatan na sila.
Babalatan na. They will be martyred.